Hi everyone, welcome to today's reactions. Today I'm going to react on a trailer called Malik. You know, it is directed by Mahesh Narayanan and hero is Fahad Faisal, and also Nimisha Sajjan is also taking part in this film. Well, first I saw a teaser of this film last month. It was nothing much, only 1 minute video, but I had a thorough impression of the teaser. Then today the trailer was released. It was only released 6 hours ago, so I wanted to do a reaction on this trailer. They said that this movie is based on a communal raid in a local place which is situated in Kerala. So, you know, it reminded me of a film called Kamati Padam of Dulquer Salman. So I wanted to look into this trailer and see what is happening in this trailer. And also I love Fahad Faisal. His acting is one of the best I have ever seen in Malayalam industry, other than the big M's. So I wanted to see other films such as I watched Komplangi Nights, I have watched Mahesh's Pratikaram, then other Fahad Faisal films. I don't know, I don't remember. I have watched a lot of his films, but nothing comes. Jojo. That was the recent film I watched of his. This film is going to be released soon, so we will react to the trailer.
അവൻ 6-ാം വയസ്സിൽ മരിക്കേണ്ടതായിരുന്നു.
What happened? Okay.
അന്നേ മരിച്ചാൽ മതിയായിരുന്നു.
Gunshots.
ഒരു പ്രൊവോക്കേഷനും ഇല്ലാതെ അധികം ഫോഴ്സിന് അങ്ങോട്ട് അയക്കാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. എന്തിനെങ്കിലും പേരിൽ ഒരു പരാതി അവിടെ ലഭിക്കും. ചന്ദ്രനെ ഞങ്ങൾ കൊന്നു 6 കഷ്ണമാക്കി കടലിലിട്ടു.
No, dialogue delivery, the intensity in his eyes, and acting with his body language, all those things can be said that Faisal can do all those things without any problems. He has such versatility that is not seen in any other young actors which is present in any other industries. So that's why I like a lot about Fahad Faisal. Whatever he does without any problems. So any movie, any type of movie, he can do without any problems. So that's why I like Fahad Faisal. Also in this movie, look at his dialogue delivery. He's such a versatile actor. Look at, he has sharp eyes while doing an action film or sharp dialogues. He can do anything.
പിടിച്ച അമരനെ വെച്ചേക്കൂടും.
എന്റെ അനിയന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് സുലൈമാൻ അത് ചെയ്തത്.
ഈ റമദ പള്ളിക്കാരുടെ സാറിന് എന്നെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ പറ്റുമോ? നമുക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകും സാർ.
ഈ പള്ളിയിൽ നിസ്കരിക്കാൻ എത്തുന്നവരുള്ളിടത്തോളം കാലം അവർ കലിക്ക്
No, he aged in this. So this is a movie that is going to take. This is a movie which will be set in different times of his life, I think so. Or maybe he has a double role or something. I don't know. No, I think it is a single role. I told you.
5 നേരം നിസ്കാരം മുടക്കാത്തവനാ സുലൈമാൻ. അന്നേരം പുറകിലൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇழுத்து വലിച്ചാൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് തീരുവടേ.
See, this is his young version. The person who is going to Hajj is his older version. So both is played by Fahad Faisal. Naturally, he can do both well. One is a simple man, the other one is a revolt leader. He can do both without any problems. There is communal riot in this film. Oh. That is. Oh, it's so short. July 15th. It's going to be an OTT release in Amazon Prime Video. There are a lot of films that is going to be released with the OTT. You know, there is something about the theatrical experience that we are missing nowadays. That's it. So that was the trailer of Malik. You know, it is Fahad Faisal. We don't have to say anything anymore because there will be a level or a quality of his movie which cannot be seen in any other movies in South India. Like, I wanted to say something about Jojo is new film. There was nothing spectacular about the movie, but the movie was like not boring. The character of his the something about that character was very creepy in that movie. He just didn't have any of the human emotions such as sympathy, regret, or anything in that. He just killed them and went on with his life. It was like mind-blowingly creepy. So that's why, and he did that with such simplicity that we believed that Fahad Fasil was such a kind of guy. In reality, he's not. He's such a kind person and also gentle person. I've seen his interviews and all. So this trailer is only 1 minute, and I don't know, many trailers in Malayalam movies are likely to be more than 1.5 minutes or something. Today it is only 1 minute. And also, the speciality of Malayalam trailers is that they never give out what is happening in the film. Only they give us such a glimpse of whatever there is that cannot be linked to the movie. So we will be mystified of what is happening in the movie, and we will go and watch the movie. But this is an OTT release, so we can directly watch the movie in Prime Video. So guys out there, watch the movie. If you love Fahad Fasil, if you love Malayalam cinema, there are many movies that are coming out. Like, personally mindful of some of the movies, like Prithviraj movies Kuruvi, Satyameva Jayate, and Dulquer movie Kuruppu, Salute. Then Fahad Fasil movies, Mohanlal Lalatan movies like Arabikadal Simham, and also Mammootty movies like Bhishma. So there are a lot of movies that are coming out. It will be a feast to the Malayalam movie audience. Those who like my reaction, please subscribe and watch the video and other videos. And there is also Malayalam reaction of the Cold Case trailer. So please support me, view the videos, subscribe the channel. Thank you.